Cinema is all about what is in frame and what's outside. Hey there, it's Riya Bhatt, a student of Department of English, MK Bhavnagar University. In this video, I'm going to discuss about what is frame studies and also going to discuss about different frame from different movies. So let me first share my presentation with you. Okay, yes. Cinematic Frames by Priya Bhatt. Table of contents. Yes, in this video, I'm going to discuss about film studies, frame study, low angle and high angle shot, mise en scene, montage, green screen, lighting and color effect, diegetic and non-diegetic sound, and references. Film studies, if we see, then it is an academic discipline that deals with various theatrical, historical, critical approaches to the cinema form and art form and also in a way medium form. It is sometimes subsumed within media studies and is often compared to television studies. Film studies is less concerned with advancing proficiency in film production, but it is rather than exploring the narrative, artistic, cultural, economic, and political implications of the cinemas. This I have taken from the film studies book, which is also available online and written by Siku. And this one can easily say by reading this that film study by analyzing films and frames, we cannot clearly able to make a wonderful film like Sanjay Leela Bhansali and all the director are going to made, but we just able to analyze the frame, that what each color signifies in the particular frame. This is high angle or low angle kind of frames. This is montage or mise en scene. We can elaborate movie, we can critically evaluate the movie and grasp the heart of these all the movies. Frame studies, if you can say, then frame study in film involves analyzing individual shot for their visual composition, including elements like mise en scene, cinematography, lighting, and color. This analysis reveals how these elements contribute to the narrative mood and meaning to the film. Uh, First, low angle and high angle shot. High angle shot are traditionally thought to make thrill in movies and sometimes to show the character weak and small, whereas low angle shots have often been used to make character look large and powerful. In Tenet movie, we can see then this is low angle shot. We can also see the color and how they are going to jump from the building, thrill, and the power of particular character. We find that in Avenger movie, this is high angle shot. Every object and every character are clearly visible, and they are looking upside. Tenet movie, this is low angle shot. This low angle shot has been taken to see the person who is going to attack from the second floor, and to create thrill in movie. Close up and wide angle shot, if you can see, then Tenet movie, this movie begins only from this wild angle shot, right? Where everybody sitting over there are visible. This also from Tenet movie and is a wild angle shot again. This is close up shot. The camera focuses on character only, and they are going to focus on their mission. This is close up shot, that camera focuses on character face. This close up and low angle shot to feel the character. Yes, to feel the fear of this particular character. This is from close up and low angle shot. This close up shot is taken to show the particular object. Yes, that something is over there. This signifies something. The character feels something by seeing this object, this kind of thing. This is also close up shot with emotion. Yes, mise en scene, if we can see that everything around the character, the props, the costumes, the sets, even lightning are visible to the cameras. This shows the mise en scene. This in Tenet movie we can see that both the character are visible, the lightning around them are visible, props that we find around them are visible. So this is we can consider as mise en scene. Montage, if we can say that in motion picture, this montage technique in a way, in hand of editor or director. Yes, with this montage portraits of motion picture can be carefully built up pieces by pieces by the director, film editor, visual and sound technician, who cut and feed each part with the another. And the editing technique of assembling separate pieces of thematically related film, putting them together into the sequence. If you can see as an example, then present moment is going on in the movie, and suddenly they're going into their past. Yes, and the past is showing with the speed. If in Life of Pi also we can see this montage technique. Yes, in Jalika 2 also we find this. In Tenet movie also one can see the montage technique. By after this scene, the girl or the character over here is she is going into her past. We find that ocean and shape kind of things. Lightning and color effect, if we see in Tenet movie, then here we can see the red color symbolized with danger and evil thought and thrill. Similarly, the blue color effect. Yes, diegetic and non-diegetic sound. We one can also say that sounds are very important thing to make a movie, or the thrilling sound, the peaceful sound makes movie more beautiful. Then we have two types of sounds in movie, that is diegetic and non-diegetic sound. Diegetic sound in Tenet movie we find in open opera house scene. Yes, in opera house, diegetic sound include the noises of opera performances and audiences interaction, adding the realism to the setting. Yes, realism, to show classical realism, also technique of film or frame studies. So the by diegetic sound we also find this realism, classical realism themes in Tenet movie. Then if we talk about non-diegetic sound, then in final battle sequence features a dynamic score that highlights that heightens the intensity of the action, blending this seamlessly with the visual element to enhance the dramatic impact. Yes, green screen. To the use of screen in movie, if one can see, then to show something extraordinary thing on the movie on the screen, then director generally use this green screen kind of elements. If we want to see the green screen, proper green screen element, then we have very good example of Avatar movie. Avatar movie is all we can say that based on this green screen. Also in Harry Potter scene we also find, the Matrix scene also find, Life of Pi we can also find this tiger element, and the to show the horrifying nature of ocean, also director use kind of green screen. These are some references of mine, and the slides I have taken from Slidescope. And thank you. This is it from my side. Hope you enjoyed the learning process. Thank you.